Hi, I'm Pascal Miller, and I am starting up a new business, Nurture Nature Education, and I need your help. My aim with Nurture Nature Education is to connect as many kids as possible to nature. So connecting kids to nature will help improve their well-being, both physically, mentally and spiritually. It also helps with them connect to sustainability issues and environmental problems and help them become active members of the community. Many schools just can't afford a full-time garden teacher or sustainability program. So I'm a qualified horticulturalist, and I have been teaching kitchen gardening at a private school in Melbourne. I have lots of experience travelling around the world and living in remote areas with Indigenous people. Nurture Nature Education offers teacher PDs, where I can teach the educators how to use nature and the outdoors for deeper inquiry learning. I can do incursions to primary schools, kindergartens and preschools, connecting the children to local parks and gardens. I can do garden design and help with garden setup for produce gardens, habitat gardens and sensory gardens. And I also can organise children's entertainment for parties where we have nature-based craft and games. So thank you so much for your support, for listening, and please pledge to my project and up and running, and I look forward to meeting you and your community and school success.